Welcome to this video on the Ishwara channel. My name is Satguru, Buddha Rawa Bhagwan. Today's video we're going to talk about Brahman. You may have heard of Brahman. Brahman is known as the ultimate infinite. It is known as that thing from which all things come. All things are of Brahman. And all things move with the movement of Brahman. So Brahman is a pool of water, of silvery water. Think heavy water. And the experience of seeing Brahman is your experience of physical reality blends away. And instead you see yourself experience the pool of water and a drop of water fall into the pool. And the drop spreads in a ripple where it fell in the pool. And you understand that to be the impact of intention, intent, willpower of the one who reaches Brahman. And the shaking of creation when one becomes para Brahman, above Brahman. And when their intention becomes the drop that shakes Brahman. And the ripple as it moves outward from the drop, from the impact of the intention of he who is para Brahman, moves across the sphere of Brahman, the top of the surface, and with the change, as above, so below, as above the change of the ripple, so underneath, Brahman changes as well, in its depths. And what is Brahman? Brahman is a memory retention system which retains the program of the Kalachakra. So the Kalachakra exists as a computer program within Brahman and is connected to the realm in which Brahman exists. So Brahman exists in a complex computer within the palace of Shiva, okay, the creator of the Kalachakra himself, right? And in his palace, he has the computer. And in that computer, the memory system, the retention of the program is in a memory-based water system. So the memory of the water is the memory of the computer. These are advanced computer systems. And Brahman is that memory inside. So the drop changes the programming of the computer system with the intent of the person who goes para Brahman. So that is Brahman. And the Kalachakra is the system, the computer program that exists within that computer. So it is the program itself which is retained in the memory of Brahman. And a visualization of the Kalachakra is the Kalachakra mandala, which shows you a tunnel vision, the tunnel view of the tunnels of the Kalachakra, which is the sphere of space and time through which everybody navigates and sets dwellings and places of residence on the walls of the Kalachakra, on the surfaceable areas of the Kalachakra, in the doorways that are developed by the enlightened ones, in the stabilized structure of the known tunnels of the Kalachakra. And the center of the Kalachakra is where you find the Satguru, okay, also known as the Kutaba, right, the pole, the axis, the Satguru, the one who is the teacher of the age. Thank you for listening to this video on the Ishwara channel.